Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this pumpkin. Super easy, super fast, using super bulky weight yarn number 6. So this two right here, it is from the same, I use the same yarn, different colorway. As you see right here, this looks much bigger compared to this, but actually they are both the same pattern. This one right here, I did not stuff as much polyfill as this one right here, but both the same pattern. So the height, this is 3 inches, this is 3.5 inches. The circumference, this one is 19 inches and this is 20 inches. Okay, as I mentioned again, same pattern. I just did not fill this the polyfill, I did not fill it up as much as I did on this one. Okay, so that's how it looks like. And this one right here, I just used the twig that I found from my garden. And this one right here. Okay, so the yarn that I use, so for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this one right here. Okay, and the yarn that I use is this one right here, Hometown USA by Lion Brand, in this colorway Madison Mustard. And as I mentioned, this is a super bulky weight yarn number 6, 100% acrylic, and this is a 5-ounce skein, and I have this much left after I made this. Okay, so for the crochet hook I use 6mm, okay, or size J. As recommended at the label, it's 9mm, but I want to make the stitch tighter so that the polyfill won't really show, because if you use 9mm, the stitch is going to be too loose. So that's the reason why I use 6mm. Okay, and also you need scissor, tapestry needle. Just make sure that the head is wide enough to insert this super bulky weight number 6 yarn. And also you need polyfill. Okay, you need a lot of polyfill. This is just example, the one that I use. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by making a slip knot. Okay, now we're going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so once you chain 20, now we're going to start row 1. We're going to start by making 3 half double crochet stitch, and we're going to start from the 3rd chain from the crochet hook. Okay, we're going to start from chain number 3, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, going to make the first half double crochet stitch right here. 1, next stitch, 1, next stitch, 1. Okay, so we made 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So next we're going to make 12 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. Okay, 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once you made 12 double crochet, you should have 3 chain left. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch, 1 stitch in each chain. Okay, 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so once you're done, this is how it looks like. You should have total of 18 stitches all together. 3 half double crochet at the beginning, 12 double crochet, and 3 half double crochet, so total makes 18 stitches. Okay, so for the next 17 rows we're going to do the same. We're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch. At the first 3 stitch we're going to make 12 double crochet and 3 half double crochet at the last 3 stitch. Okay, so for the next 17 rows you're just going to repeat exactly same as row 2. Start with chain 1, turn the work, and every stitch we're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, so if you turn, this is the regular stitch, this V stitch. Instead of going through the regular stitch, we're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, this is back loop and this is the back loop. Okay, so after you chain 1, turn the work. Now we're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch, and every stitch we're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so next we're going to make 12 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 12. Okay, so once you made 12 double crochet, you should have 3 stitch left, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch, 1 in each stitch, and we're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so once you're done, this is how it looks like. So we crochet all the stitches at the back loop. It creates this ribbing effect right here. Okay, so you're going to repeat exactly same as row 2. Every row you're going to start with chain 1, turn the work, and you're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch at the first 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3. After the 3 half double crochet you're going to make 12 half double crochet. After 12 half double crochet you should have 3 stitch left, and at the last 3 stitch you're going to make 3 half double crochet stitch. Okay, so every row you should have 18 stitches, and all 18 stitches you're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, as I mentioned, we crochet at the back loop because we want to create this ribbing texture or ribbing effect. Okay, so just go ahead and finish up. Repeat exactly same as row 2, and you're going to continue until you reach row 18. Okay, so go ahead and finish up, and I'll see you at the end of row 18. Okay, so once you're done, you crochet until you get 18 rows. So starting right here, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so now we're going to crochet both ends together, and by crocheting both ends together we're going to single crochet both ends, and we're still going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, so my working yarn is at this side, and I'm going to insert the crochet hook at the first stitch right here and pull this loop right here. Okay, so now chain 1. So from this first stitch, the same stitch where we pulled the loop earlier, we're going to insert the hook right there, and at this first stitch from this side we're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, we're just going to do single crochet stitch. Okay, so now we're going to crochet the next stitch, the second stitch right here, and the second stitch from this side, going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, so now third stitch and third stitch from this side, crochet in the back loop. Okay, so you're going to do single crochet every stitches. You're going to make 18 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch from each side. Okay, you're going to crochet both sides together. Okay, and all stitch you're going to crochet at the back loop. Okay, so once you made your last single crochet right here, you're just going to chain 1 and secure the stitches, and you're going to cut the yarn. Just cut it a little bit long because we're going to use the tail, this tail, to close the top, both ends here and here. So okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is how long is the tail, and this is where we did the single crochet. So this single crochet is going to be the inside part of the pumpkin. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the work. Okay, as you can see, this is the single crochet where we did, and when you turn it right here, it blends in with the rest of the stitches. So that's the reason why I want this to be the outside part of the pumpkin. Okay, so this is where we did the single crochet, and this is how it looks like. Okay, you crochet at the back loop and it creates this same ribbing effect, same as the other stitch right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get needle and we're gonna close one end. Okay, so what I normally do is just going in and out, in and out every stitch. Okay, this is how I do it. Okay, so once you go around, I'm just going to pull it tight. Okay, so I'm just going to go from one side to this side right here, just to make it really secure, and from this side to this side right here. Okay, and I'm going to knot, to make double knot. 1, and 2. Okay, so now I'm going to bring this needle in and I'm going to pull it from this side. Okay, so this is the bottom and this is the other end of the opening. Now we're going to stuff the polyfill. Okay, so now that it is so full, I'm going to close this end. I'm going to do exactly same as how I did right here. Okay, so from one end, just going to go in and out every stitch. Okay, so once you bring the yarn all around, you're just gonna pull it tight and close this middle part. Okay, you can close it tight and just make sure you have enough space just to squeeze this in. Okay, so I'm just going to secure this by Okay, so I'm just going to make a knot right here just to secure. Alright, so this I'm going to bring all the way back down here. And I'm going to pull it tight. Okay, so there you have it. This is how I crochet this pumpkin. Super easy, super fast, using super bulky weight yarn number 6. I do hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. And also follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. I am more active on Instagram. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.